My advice is ditch the spreadsheet. Often in an organization where you find a spreadsheet, it's a Knack app waiting to happen. My name is Mike Moore. I'm an independent software consultant based in the UK, and I'm mainly involved in advising my customers in business application strategy. Livesey's are Europe's biggest grower and supplier of exotic mushrooms. The interesting thing about Knack is that you can use it for almost any type of commercial application development. Personally, I've used it for building inventory management systems, pricing systems, quotation management systems, CRM systems, and production control systems. We've seen some of those here today at Livesey's. So Knack is a genuinely no-code solution rather than a low-code solution, which is what some of the other products in the marketplace are. You can literally build an entire app without writing a single line of code. In fact, with the latest version of Knack, there's an AI module where you can build the application just by telling Knack what you want the application to do. So if you have an idea for an improvement in the business which requires the support of an app, maybe it's a change to a feature or the addition of a new piece of functionality, you can build that really quickly. So imagine somebody comes to you and says, wouldn't it be great if in the warehouse when we were picking inventory we had this available to us on an iPad? You can say, yeah, great idea, let's experiment with that. And a day later you can come back with that change made to the application and you can try it out. And that's a huge advantage when you're trying to deliver a low-cost solution to a company with a limited budget and a limited time scale. It's low cost, it's extremely rapid to deploy, you can develop really high levels of functionality, and it's secure. And on top of all of that, the performance is great. In fact, if you can imagine it, you can build it in Knack.